showing you how to make bacon. Now this is going to be specifically on a electric cooker, and I'm going to fry it instead of grill it. Therefore, if you have any things like OBS, IBS, etc., not the recording software, then you'll need to put it in the grill instead of fry. But this is how to make a bacon sandwich. So we've got some bacon in the fridge. I've got this pan here, and I've got some sunflower oil spray. So now I'm going to put that on. Set this to notch 6 because you can always turn it down later, and it's just easier to get it done as fast as possible. You will also need one of these. If it's wooden or just normal like this, it does not matter. Just whatever you have is good. So I am now going to grab bacon out of the fridge. There we go. Right, now we have this set that just keeps on wanting to fall off. Well, let me just put that back on. There we are. Lovely. And now I've got bacon. So I am going to put this over here and bring you over. So what we're going to do now is, actually, I need you to be over here at the moment. There we are. So the hob's warm. This is now warm. So what I'm going to do is grab some of this sunflower oil spray. Just shake it a bit. And just spray it round in the tin. Because that is meant to make it, therefore the bacon doesn't stick to the pan. So now I need to bring these two tools over. And now for this bacon. Now this is already a pre-opened packet. So I'm going to put that on. I'm just going to do myself I'm going to do 2 slices today. Now you can hear it sizzling. That's the sound that you want to hear. So don't put your hands anywhere once you've touched that, because you need to wash them because they've got pan fats on. Right, now that we've done that, I'm going to put the bottom at the top, and this is bubbling away. What I tend to do to make it just go quicker is press down. Now, we've got the oven hood on at the moment. This I'm going to move out of the way because it's plastic. Right, and now I will put on screen how long to leave it for from each side. Yeah, that can do a bit longer. This one, yeah, they both can. So I'll put on screen how long I left mine for before they were ready. Now this is on heat 6 on an electric grill. This is a bit too hot, therefore I'm going to turn it down to 4. So that's from heat 6 to heat 4. Yeah, that should be a lot better. Right. And there we are. And now it's time to flip. So just get your bacon on your spatula like this and just flip it onto the other side. And you can press it down like I can. And yeah, so just keep on pressing it down and just burnt myself. So just wait. Right, and just wait for it to be fully fried. Now I think that's enough, so I'm going to take the heat off. There we are. Right, so now I need a plate. So I'm going to grab a plate. Well, actually, you need 2 plates. So now I'm going to pop you there and bring this over from the cooker that we were cooking it on, just over there. So now it should look something like this. We just, there we are, like that, and plop it on one of the plates. This is a very important step. You don't put it on the bread straight away. That's why you grab 2 plates. So the plate with bacon on and the other plate for the sandwich. Now, this is my personal favourite bit. So I put both of these in. Pop it here. Wait, can I just this? There we are. And I'm going to bring the thing there. Oh man, I left it too long. It's no longer hot. Yeah. Normally, oh there we go, there's a bit of steam there. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up. But normally, when I do that, all of the steam comes flying off and it looks really cool. So yeah, then just leave it there. Also remember to turn the hood off. So now, I can just pop that back up. Lovely. Also, put this back in the fridge. That's something I forgot to do. What kind of cooking show am I? Forgot one of the most important steps. So, I'm just going to move my bacon aside. I now want to grab 2 slices of bread, just like this. Now, you can choose not to do the following step, it's just my mum always does it, so I always do it. So what I do is, now what I mean by you can choose is because we tend to put butter and tomato ketchup on. So like, you can not do it with, you can leave out the butter, you can leave out the ketchup. Literally, you can even eat the bacon by itself. So, if I now do that, there we are. Spread it like so, and do the same to the other side. Or not the other side, the other half of bread. Therefore now, my bread looks a bit like this. Then you grab your ketchup, squirt it on, but only on one side. Then you spread that across the bread on that one side that you squirted it on. You'll see why you should only do it on one side in a minute. So now, you can grab your bacon, place it on the other half of bread that doesn't have the ketchup on it, and then put the ketchup on top. And I'm just going to spread it out because I don't want to be eating a sandwich and then all of a sudden get to a really ketchupy part. Right, now this goes in the wash. Oh no, sorry. Actually, I'm going to have to get a new one now. Right, so that goes in the wash, that goes in the wash. The sandwich, you put it together and put it on the plate. Ketchup, you put it back to wherever you got it from. Same with the butter. Then, there we go. Now, just with a knife, cut it in half. Now, most of the time, I use things like steak knives for these, like I did earlier. Though I've stupidly chucked it in the wash and don't want to do it for another. But once you've cut it up, you should have a bacon sandwich. Now you can cut it in any way or form you want. You can cut it like mine, half. You can cut it along there, therefore it's on fours. You can even cut it into some triangles. So yeah, thanks for watching the first episode of the Alfie Cooking Show. Bye.